What does manufacturing refer to? Options are A. Buying products, B. Producing goods in large amounts, C. Transporting materials, D. Storing items. The correct answer is producing goods in large amounts. What is the purpose of quality control? Options are A. Increase output, B. Check if products meet standards, C. Reduce work hours, D. Improve advertising. The correct answer is check if products meet standards. Which word means materials left after production that are not useful? Options are A. Stock, B. Waste, C. Supply, D. Output. The correct answer is waste. Why is maintenance necessary in a factory? Options are A. To sell products, B. To decorate machines, C. To keep machines working properly, D. To manage workers. The correct answer is to keep machines working properly. What does workflow describe? Options are A. Worker salary, B. Order of work steps, C. Factory size, D. Working hours. The correct answer is order of work steps. In workplace English, what does efficiency mean? Options are A. Working longer hours, B. Producing more with less waste, C. Hiring more workers, D. Using extra materials. The correct answer is producing more with less waste. What are finished goods? Options are A. Raw materials, B. Half-made products, C. Products ready for sale, D. Factory tools. The correct answer is products ready for sale. What is supervision in industry? Options are A. Machine repair, B. Product packaging, C. Monitoring work activities, D. Material transport. The correct answer is monitoring work activities. What does compliance mean? Options are A. Breaking rules, B. Following safety rules, C. Increasing speed, D. Reducing costs. The correct answer is following safety rules. What is automation? Options are A. Manual labor only, B. Use of machines to perform tasks, C. Storage of products, D. Worker training. The correct answer is use of machines to perform tasks.